Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Alright, before I forget, I'm going to be referring to someone's eBay shop. And the eBay shop is More Galore 8. And he has a ton of stuff, but these Swiss Army knife campers are what I've got from his store. He's got huntsmans, he's got hikers, he's got all kinds of stuff. But the skinny on these is, I like them. And originally, at one point, before I get too far, hit that subscribe button. And make sure you follow us on the Instagram and stuff to check out all of the older stuff that we have. You can go back and refer to some of the things that I'm going to talk to in this. Oh, okay, sorry. You can check that stuff out later. But feel free to like and subscribe. Anyway, campers. These are Swiss Army knife campers. I just bought some brand new ones right before I found these. And these are, in fact, campers. For anyone that wants to call them something different. Have at it. You can call them whatever you want to. I don't care. Originally, I was buying Swiss Army knife walkers. And the walker had this blade, the saw, I think it had the can opener, and the tweezers and the toothpick. That was it. That's all it had on it. And it was perfect for, let me take my pants off here. Not my whole pants. Actually, didn't think about it, but I have one in here. If I can dig it out. Here we are, I believe. Bam. So, saw a little different can opener. But can opener, the large blade, toothpick, and tweezers, and that was it. Considerably thinner than the camper, but this was the walker. They have since been discontinued. Originally, these things were 18 bucks a piece, brand new. Now they're $100 still in the package on eBay if you can find them. But this was what I was putting in my sheath kits because I like having a small saw just in case, as well as a backup blade. And the toothpick and the tweezers is nice, and the can opener is good too. It's just all around a good option for a sheath kit. Let me put this back on my pants. But since those have been discontinued, I was looking for something to put in sheath kits that was relatively inexpensive. So I bought a few new ones. They're about 24 bucks, brand new, on Amazon. You see, I've since already scratched some of these up. But I can't remember which is which because this one has a little bit more scratches. And I haven't really done anything with them. But this one is used because I remember putting this in it. So I don't know if this was the new one or the used one that I have recently got. Because I got two from More Galore 8 for $11 and some change a piece, free shipping off eBay. So it's a $24 Swiss Army knife for $12, which is a really good deal. They are slightly used. They're guaranteed to have a new toothpick and tweezers in them. None of mine have looked like they've ever been sharpened at all. Everything's been in good shape on all of them. I did. It's random, so you may get a red one, or one with red scales, one with black scales. I did get a black one that I put in my tracker sheath kit. But I guess the point I'm getting at is I have went to these over the hiker or walker just because the price difference. And this has all of the goodies in it. I really don't need the corkscrew. I do think it's handy that it'll hold this. I'm going to order me another set of these just to put in all of them as an extra Firecraft option. The awl is cool. It's not the Alox awl, but let me dig in here. Here is the Alox awl. The difference there. This awl is a superior awl, probably the best awl you can get on any pocket knife, in my personal opinion. If you're doing a lot of woodcraft, especially, that thing just hogs wood. But this one will do good too, as long as you can keep this edge sharp. It'll do good, you know. And make sure that you twist it clockwise so it cuts. If you go counterclockwise, you just basically be like running a drill in reverse and just burn through the material. But this gives me some options that I like to have. It's got a small blade on it too, as well as a bottle opener. And what I'll do is I'll take my bottle opener, I guess it's this dude, haven't done it on any of these, but I'll get a file, or I'll just fire up the 1x30 belt sander, and I'll put a chisel grind on this and actually use it as a chisel. I have one on this Swiss Army knife, as a matter of fact. If you can see it. No focus on me, bruh. Come on, boss man. It don't want to focus. But anyway, there's a chisel grind right here on this end that works well. I don't do much screwdrivering with this anyway. But this is a good, reliable, Victorinox makes good tools. You know, if MacGyver used it, it's good enough for me. So this is a quality, extremely inexpensive option. Like I said, 12 bucks. And he's probably got other, if these are 12 bucks, he's probably got other good deals on other models. Like I said, I was looking for campers specifically and found them on eBay. And now I'm going to take and incorporate these into different kits, like my orange general purpose bag. I believe I may take a farmer out of another bag and actually put in there, and then put one of these in my kits where I need a good Swiss Army knife that has these tools to use in an emergency situation or backup, or if it's just something that I can utilize in the kit itself. But most of the time I have my farmer, I have this dude in my pocket, so this is just a good spare option. But I wanted to share these at 12 bucks a piece. It is More Galore 8 on eBay. Check them out. I just ordered 3 more today, so when those guys come in, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I get those spread throughout my kits. This is actually cheaper in the end, so I'm glad that things worked out the way that they did. But I've been kicking myself for not getting more walkers before they discontinued that model, because it's just it's nice, it's small, you know, it's got just the tools that I wanted on it. It's perfect. But you know, Once something's gone, it's gone for the most part. And this is the next best thing. So check them out. All right, guys, that's it. It's starting to rain. I really wanted to get some catfish from the deli down the street, but remember the diner, but none of my girls want to get it, so I figured I'd come make a YouTube video. But I appreciate the support. Check out at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram for past projects and gizmos. I got a bunch of catch-up stuff that I'm going to be doing on some of the projects that I've already talked about on the channel. Like and subscribe. Got a bunch of subscribers lately, about 500 actually, over the past month or so. Pretty cool. I appreciate that. You can check out bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets, things and stuff. I just had my first computer issues that we just got rectified. So if you're waiting on something to ship, you'll see that moving the first of the week. I might can make stuff out of wood, but I ain't got a freaking clue about computer stuff, so there's that. But anyway, you guys have a good weekend. Be safe. More Galore 8 Victorinox Swiss Army knife campers. Later.